Hey guys, thanks for tuning in with View Auto. Today, we're going to learn about the signs and symptoms of a bad mass airflow sensor, also known as a MAF sensor. The MAF sensor plays a crucial role in measuring incoming air for the engine, with the PCM utilizing this data to determine the optimal air and fuel ratio for combustion. The MAF sensor usually located on the air intake before the throttle. For this 5 Series BMW, it's right here. It's between your air filter housing and the throttle. The MAF sensor is key to engine performance. Here are 4 signs and symptoms that your MAF sensor is malfunctioning or going bad. 1. The first sign of a bad MAF sensor is usually your car will stall and die a few seconds later after you start up or start driving. This is the most common issues with the MAF sensor. 2. The second sign is your air-fuel mixture is too rich. Your vehicle requires the correct balance of fuel and air in each combustion cylinder. Running rich indicates an excess of fuel and insufficient of air. Indications that your vehicle is running rich include 1. Black smoke coming from the tailpipe. 2. Reduced fuel efficiency compared to normal. 3. Rough idling. 4. Check engine light coming on. These issues can arise when the MAF sensor is damaged or its wires are coated with dirt, causing inaccurate airflow measurement and sending incorrect information to the PCM. When the airflow is overestimated, the PCM releases an excessive amount of fuel. In many cases, you or a mechanic can resolve the problem by cleaning the MAF sensor's wires. 3. The third sign is your air-fuel ratio is too lean. Running lean is the opposite of running rich, indicating that your vehicle has too little fuel and an excess of air. Similar to running rich, this condition is often linked to inaccurate information from the MAF sensor to the PCM, but in this case, it underestimates the amount of airflow instead of overestimating it. You may notice 1. Engine hesitation and/or surging. 2. Hard engine seizures. 3. Difficulties in starting. 4. Activation of the check engine light. Just like with other MAF sensor issues, a potential solution could be as straightforward as cleaning the sensor's wires. The fourth indicator occurs when the engine light illuminates. This can be attributed to various factors, including 1. Damage to the intake boot. 2. Vacuum leaks. 3. Clogged or improperly installed engine air filter. 4. Blocked catalytic converter or restricted exhaust. As there are potential causes beyond a faulty MAF sensor, it is advisable to investigate these alternative possibilities. Confirming that the code is genuinely triggered by the sensor issue before proceeding with a replacement is essential. Many times, a simple solution is to clean the MAF sensor. You can follow this do-it-yourself MAF sensor cleaning guide by clicking on this video right here. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.